stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the halo. Yeah. We'll rule our own domain. Yeah, yeah. Keep our heads up high, pushing on.
It's a new day. We are in
Göcek.
Saturday morning, it sounds like spring. The birds are chirping and somewhere we have wings. We shake off the dust and go for a ride. We're losing some rest and rise from the night. Cause if you need some time to chill, I've got exactly what you need. The pure engine of your desires. As the black seed and let it dry. Jump on my Vespa, follow the rise and chasing the clouds like in a western. Two bandits on the run. Jump on my Vespa, everything still looking for me. Goodbye to pressure, just riding in the sun. Buildings and trees flowing beside. They look like canvases painted in bright light. We're gonna ride for summer and spring. We'll be rebel angels and this time will be our wings. Cause if you need some time to chill, I got exactly what you need. The pure engine of your desires. As a black seal and leather tires. So jump on my Vespa, follow the rise and chasing the clouds like in a western. Two bandits on the run. Jump on my Vespa, everything's still a servant from here. Goodbye to pressure, just riding on in the sun.
yeah.
Are you happy?
See. No, I'm sad the trip because we are going. I am happy about the trip, but I'm sad because we are going. So yeah.
Yeah, we are going like our flight in 1 hour. So we are going back to Dublin.
Yeah.
So what else? What else? You are going to end your vlog here?
Yeah, I'm going to end the video here. It was really nice holiday. We are now in Dalaman Airport, so it's a little bit more small than normally, but I thought it was going to be even more small because it's like not even a town, it's like village, kind of, where we were, you know?
Yeah, but like there's different places around. Like even people are Bodrum. Like sometimes they're coming from here to fly somewhere else.
So yeah, that's all. Sad to go back. We are going to be getting cold in Dublin. Now it's really warm, so yeah, that's all. Bye bye.
Ciao.